In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chat history in Microsoft Copilot. If you're looking to clear out old conversations for privacy, to declutter your workspace, or to get a fresh start with Copilot suggestions, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish. First, make sure you're signed in to your Copilot account. You'll want to be logged in so you can access your personal settings. Once you're on the Copilot page, look for the profile icon near the bottom of the screen. It's typically a small circle or a person silhouette. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. At the top of that menu, you'll see your account email displayed. Go ahead and click your account email to open your account details. From there, find and select the privacy option. This is where Copilot groups your personal data controls, including your chat history. Inside privacy, look for the clear history control. When you click clear history, a confirmation message will appear. It lets you know that removing your chat history can affect personalization and task completion because Copilot uses your previous interactions to tailor responses. It also warns that once you delete your chat history, you won't be able to recover it. This is permanent, so take a moment to be sure this is what you want. If you're certain you want to proceed, click Clear History again to confirm. That's it. The deletion begins right away, and your past conversations will be removed from your account. After clearing, you may notice that your previous chats no longer appear, and future suggestions may feel less personalized until Copilot learns from your new interactions. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Deleting your chat history is account-specific, so you'll want to repeat these steps for any other accounts you use. Also, if you only need to remove a particular conversation, consider reviewing that chat first to ensure you truly want to delete everything. And remember, this process focuses on your visible chat history and the personalization that comes from it. Once cleared, you can rebuild Copilot's personalization by continuing to use it normally. That's the complete process for deleting your chat history in Microsoft Copilot. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.